chicken recipe in a Chinese restaurant. Here I have 2 pieces of chicken fillet and I'm going to cut them into strips and then into cubes like this. Once the chicken has been cut, transfer it to a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Then add salt to taste, black pepper to taste. And we'll also add an egg to the chicken. Next, we'll beat the egg with this spoon and then stir to mix in all the spices. This recipe tastes amazing. Now add a cup of cornstarch. Once you've done that, put the chicken in a pan with hot oil to fry. Let the chicken fry until it's golden brown. Once all the chicken has been fried, set it aside. Then 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then mix until everything is well dissolved. When it comes to the boil and the sauce has thickened, you can turn off the heat. Next, in another pan, add olive oil, a chopped onion, 3 chopped cloves of garlic and fry for 2 minutes. While you're at it, keep stirring. Now add a diced red bell pepper and half a diced green bell pepper. Now stir and fry for 1 minute. This recipe is delicious. I'm sure everyone in your house will love it. Now I'll add the sauce we made and stir again. Then I'll put the lid on and let it cook for 5 minutes. After that, I'll add a tablespoon of cornstarch to a cup of water. Mix until dissolved. Now we can add it to our pot. You can see that it will soon turn into a thicker sauce. Look how beautiful it's getting. When it comes to the boil, let it cook for another 2 minutes, and now we can add our chicken. Mix well until the sauce is coated in the chicken. And look at the magic. How beautiful and delicious this recipe is. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.